Hello everyone, wish you a happy and energetic day. Today, we will continue to explore a rather interesting method of rose propagation, combining natural materials and streamlined substrate processing techniques. The focus of this method is not only to stimulate the formation of healthy roots, but also to help the flower branches recover well, increasing the ability to sprout. The method is suitable for both new flower growers and those who have experience because the process is simple. Uses easy to find materials and is very safe for the plant. First of all, we choose a healthy rose branch without signs of pests or black rot. Choosing a quality branch from the beginning is very important because it almost determines the ability to root. Priority should be given to branches that are moderately old, have a slightly lignified stem, and have clear dormant buds. After selecting, remove all the leaves, thorns, and wilted petals remaining on the branch. To reduce water consumption and limit the source of disease-causing bacteria. Next, cut the branch to about 15 to 20 centimeters. Prepare about 10 grams of fresh ginger. Wash it and cut it into small pieces. Ginger is a source of natural biological active ingredients, which have antibacterial effects and stimulate cell proliferation in the epidermis of the base of the branch. Put the cut ginger in a clean plastic cup, add 500 milliliters of water and stir well. Then, soak the rose branch in this solution for about 15 minutes. This time helps the compounds in the ginger penetrate the plant tissue. Support sterilization and activate the mechanism of scar tissue formation, a premise for new roots to develop. This is rice. Rice contains starch and light minerals, providing a source of nutrients to help nourish young cells at the root eye position, while also activating the process of root hair development. Next, take 3 tablespoons of rice and put it in the cup of ginger water. Stir well and let it sit for another 15 minutes. During this break, we prepare soft toilet paper, tear it into small pieces and put it in a clean plastic cup. This is a moderately moist material, acting as a temporary substrate to help the base of the branch stay stable in water, but not stuffy or waterlogged. After the soaking time is over, take the flower branch out of the rice ginger solution, stir well again and filter it to get the clear water. This filtered water is the base solution containing active ingredients from ginger and rice starch. Beer is a source of B vitamins and simple sugars, which stimulates callus tissue to develop into roots faster, while improving the activation of dormant buds. Continue to add 100 milliliters of beer to the cup. Then, dilute the solution with about 0.5 liters of clean water to lower the concentration, avoiding shocking the branch. Pour the rice ginger beer solution just mixed into a paper cup containing soft paper and leave it for 10 minutes for the paper to absorb evenly. Then, press gently to remove excess water, keeping moderate moisture. If it is too moist, it will cause root rot, while if it is too dry, it will cause the branch to lack water. Use a small stick to make a hole in the middle of the paper cup. Before placing the branch in the hole, use a strip of soft paper to wrap 2 to 3 times around the base of the branch. Then dip it in the solution to disinfect and increase the ability to retain moisture at the contact point. Place the flower branch in the hole in the middle of the paper cup. Press lightly to secure it. Then, use a plastic bag or a transparent plastic cup to cover it tightly on top to create a stable microclimate, both keeping moisture well and limiting the penetration of cold wind or harsh sunlight. This environment helps reduce water evaporation, helping the root tissue to quickly become healthy and promote root development. Place the entire cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. A stable temperature is one of the important factors. Maintaining it from 20 to -30 degrees Celsius will help the roots grow faster. During the incubation period, there is no need to water more, just observe and ensure that the paper maintains moderate moisture. After about 10 days, we will notice a clear change. The flower branch begins to sprout new buds, the young leaves are green and plump. The base has formed many white, succulent roots, showing that the incubation environment has worked effectively. When the root system is strong, plant the branches in a pot with a well-drained substrate such as river sand to help the roots develop quickly, airy and stable. Through this step, the rose branches will quickly get used to the new environment, continue to develop and have sustainable growth. This is a method that both takes advantage of natural materials and ensures safety, is easy to implement and brings high results. Wishing you success and more healthy rose plants in your garden. If you find this method effective, please share it so that many people can apply it. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again.